Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers, and if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I make content regarding architecture, interior designing, bee planning, NATA exam preparation, your JE paper 2 preparation, and any creative field, bachelors of design, mostly about all these design related fields, which different fields in them, bachelors of fashion technology and everything. So if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Let's begin today's video. What are the different career options after BArch? Like which are the different ways you can go other than specialization in MArch? I am saying I'm not going to say you the things about interior design or urban planning or urban design or these things, but few different careers which are like outbreaking path from architecture you can take, and they have really good scope and architects can do really well in these fields. Let's begin. So its first one in my list is set designer or a production designer. Set designer or a production designer is someone who designs the sets for video, television shows and movies. There are Hollywood huge sets which include even multimedia effects as well, and basic set designing is really important and it's a high paying option. But for beginners in India, you have to go for assistants under directors like set designers who are currently doing it, and post which you can start your own. Now so it has a huge scope, guys, no doubt in it. Then you can be an animation artist because you will be used to model making and animating these basic model stuffs. You can, if you are interested in making animations, you can go for it. That's an amazing field, I don't have to say much. Then video game designer, this is one of the bestest and most of you people might be interested in this. So this is an amazing career where you can build 3D model cities, which you see the video games, whichever buildings they will be having around the videos are all done by these 3D visualizers or visual designers. So because you being used to creating cities and making roads and buildings around them, you can do a great job as an architect. So this is one of the super cool profession, I can say. And I'll be soon making a video on game design and game development. So if you are interested in watching that, please let me know in the comment section and like the video, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Then graphic designer, I myself have videos on graphic designer in the channel. Please go and check them out because you guys will be so much into creating architectural layouts and everything. So you can be great at this job. So you can just do a course of 6 months or basic course or learn online, and you are good to go with this course because you will be already having so much knowledge from your architectural theories and design theories. Okay, then you can be a industrial designer. Industrial designer means mass production of products or furnitures or anything you have learned. So you can become a furniture designer in industrial designer, which you can do mass production. I have a video especially on industrial designer, what is industrial design and how it works. So if you are interested in that, please check out the link in the description. I'll be giving you playlists at the end. Please watch them if you are interested in these things of design related fields. It's like what is design, I'm giving a playlist. I'm giving a playlist on UX UI design as well. Then product or accessory designer, again this is a designing in small scale or making a product design. I have videos on these two design fields as well. Please check out them if you are interested. And you can do masters in design in IIT colleges from for industrial design, product design and even accessory design. So please check out the videos, and I have given the links in the description. Then you have UX UI design, high booming career these days, where you talk about your user interface and user experience. So I have a huge playlist, entire playlist dedicated for UX UI design. Please go and check it out. So it will help you to understand what exactly is it. And it's an amazing profession for architects, because they'll be so good at layouting, and they'll be so good at using these Adobe Photoshop and everything, which later by learning coding and all, they convert it into websites and apps. So it's an amazing field if you are looking for something alternative in your architecture career. Then you have multimedia designer. Multimedia designer is someone who designs all these video editing stuffs, or these motion graphics, and using these are in a video media tool or any social media for to create influence, out of which there will be multi-millions of jobs generated. For example, you can do VFX, animation, video editing, all these mixed media and editing tools, and these creative cloud software make you will help you to become a multimedia designer. And one thing I left is you can become an entrepreneur. I have a video on enterprise design as well. Please check out that video. It's very important if you are interested in starting a business, and if you are interested in starting these startups sort of ideas, how it will help you. And architecture as a field, as you do so much analysis, SWOT analysis and all in your while you doing your projects. So this is an amazing option, career option. Entrepreneur is one of the option which I haven't mentioned here. So you can go for that. So check out the videos, links in the description, and check out these videos which are coming right away in your screens. So please hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Please guys, it's free of cost. Thank you.